What's going on, guys? So essentially, a group of friends decided it'd be a good idea to take their stand-up jet skis and ride up some river rapids. Little did we know that it'd be incredibly challenging and that we would lose a couple of skis in this adventure. What I mean by losing skis is they literally sunk. I've been riding stand-up jet skis for almost 10 years now, and I would consider myself a pretty decent rider. From a typical sit-down jet ski to a stand-up jet ski, there's a adverse, what I'd say, correlation of difficulty, and then you master it. Stand-ups are just a riot to ride. But when you put a combination of a stand-up jet ski's challenging characteristics, primarily in balancing, and add unstable water flowing the opposite direction and then flowing the direction that you're riding, creates this correlation of, well, I'm going to crash a lot. And I would say if I was to sum up one reasoning of riding a stand-up jet ski up river rapids, I wanted the challenge. I approached it with an attitude that this is going to be easy, and I was given the largest slice of humble pie anyone could eat, essentially. I crashed a lot, and we lost 2 jet skis in this process. One sunk almost immediately after hitting a rock and sustaining substantial hull damage. Another one was just taking on water for no apparent reason. I was riding a 91 Yamaha Superjet. We had a couple of round nose Superjets, and moral of the story is that riding stand-up jet skis up river rapids is incredibly challenging, and make sure you got good health insurance, because my legs didn't work the same after a couple of essentially crashing into boulders. That would sum it up. So enjoy the video, and yeah, check this one off the list. Will I do it again? I don't know. I don't know if it's worth the amount of damage that these skis sustains in the process of this. So enjoy.
Dude, this thing rides so nice. What is this? It's where memories are made.